Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Bathamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halatko ni Shillong, Ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobyeng Jongpi.
Ki nongelam jong ka Khasi Students Union hapo ka jingelam jong General Secretary Usamla Donald B. Thaba ki baladon menta ha ka jilla Manipur la arsngi armit ha ka sngi thok ding jong ka Sautarik ubna jemang arajar arpuar haringkat lang bat ki nongelam jong ki shnong Khasi ki ba shong basa ha Manipur ki la yakendo ya ki nongelam jong ka All Manipur Students Union man pun sngo ki jing ba ki Khasi ki ba shong basa ha ki lai tli ki shnong ki ba hapo ka Tamenglong District kila yakendo yaki jing balai project na ka jingsha pendik hakijat benreu Bengali ki baju kentor pot na kapor shaki shnong bala buhai shnong de Khasi kilai tli ki jaka ba ki Khasi kila buhai shnong ha ka jilla Manipur ki dai yaki bala tip kerteng kum ka khedang ar Khasi ka ba he ado ar po hektar bat ka badan hadu reu spangut ki nong song shnong bat marshiteng ne ka jaka kala sha dakhol ha ki weipat ki jat benreu kawepat kadai kasnong abam punji kabahe shispa anrupo akar bat kabadan shihajar shipongut kinong song snong bat sakawepat kadai ka kamrang ha Khasi ha kabaki Khasi kibadan hadu khat sans pangut kibabuha snong ha ka jaka kabayar hadu shispa khandai po hektar bat kumba shispa ar po hektar nagani ka jaka ki Khasi kila do ai naga jingsha dakhol ha ki wepat ki jat benreu kakinhon lum khubor jong ka Batisi TV ka bala sanran lang ni kidkhot jong ka KSU kala yo alat banti benia halor ka jing jong ki Khasi ki ba shong basa hagini ki lai tli ki shnong na baka kam ka baki trei ka long tang de ka barep baryang bat ka rep tempo ha ka be dei bat kani ki nongelam jong ka Khasi Students Union kin salaj ban yekendo yu menteri rangba ka jela Manipur UN Biren Singh man pensngo halor kani ka jingsha thambor jong ki Khasi haki weipat ki jat penreu.
The reason that we came to Imphal is not only because of issues, but we would also like to know the leaders, the current leaders of the All Manipur Students Union as brothers. We wanted to know each and every one of you, and you also to know all of us. We came here based on the subject that we received complaints that Khasis face a problem there in Manipur, in the Jiribam-Tamenglong border. We do not know exactly if their villages falls in the Jiribam or Tamenglong. But what we are most concerned is that there are illegal immigrants who are coming and encroaching upon their lands. They have used hectares and hectares, hundreds of hectares of land to these illegal settlers. And for us, since the All Manipur Students Union is the apex students body here in Manipur, and also a component member with the KSU in the Northeast Students Organization, we decided that our best chance, our best option is to seek the help of the All Manipur Students Union in solving this issue. We are very grateful also to Sir Sinam Prakash, who not only assured us that all help will be given from the Meitei community and the All Manipur Students Union, but he even get us an appointment with the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri L. Biren Singh. So that's the way we are. With this, we can understand that the All Manipur Students Union they are dedicated in solving this issue. And as the General Secretary of the KSU right now, I would like to present our memorandum to the Chief Minister first. A copy of that to the General Secretary of the All Manipur Students Union.